Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert, and I grow in Zone 5A. Right then, let's get cracking. This is your quick how-to guide to flowers that bloom all summer. If you dream of colour from June to September, you're in the right place. We'll keep it simple, upbeat and practical. We'll cover smart placement, soil, top plant picks and easy care. Most summer bloomers are sun worshippers. Aim for 6+ hours of direct light. Watch how the sun moves. A south-facing bed is ideal, but any consistent sun works. No perfect spot? Containers to the rescue. We'll hit pots later. Soil time. Good drainage is key. Flowers hate wet feet. Dig a small hole, fill with water, and see how fast it drains. Improve clay or sand with generous, well-rotted compost or manure. Prep now pays all season. Beds that breathe mean roots that roar. First up, Echinacea, coneflower. Tough, reliable, absolute sun lover. Plant after last frost, average soil, water to establish, then they're drought tolerant. Snip faded heads and you'll get waves of fresh colour and happy pollinators. Next, Rudbeckia, black-eyed Susan. Midsummer into autumn, bright as sunshine. Full sun, well-drained soil, and the odd trim keeps flowers coming. Daylilies. Each bloom lasts a day, but the stems pack loads of buds. Non-stop show. Plant in spring, sun or light shade, then little water once established. Salvia brings vivid spikes and height. Deadhead spent spikes to keep the party going. Tuck salvias into your hottest spot after frost. Great for low-water gardens. Water like a pro. Deep soaks beat daily sprinkles, especially in heat. Keep new plantings evenly moist for a few weeks, then ease off. Deep drinks build deep roots, more resilient in dry spells. Deadheading 101. Remove faded blooms to redirect energy to fresh flowers. Great candidates: Zinnia, Cosmos, Salvia. Long bloomers with a quick snip. Mid-July, give a light balanced liquid feed, diluted per label. Water it in at the base. Avoid overfeeding, leaves, not flowers otherwise. Mulch saves summer, cools soil, locks moisture, chokes weeds, and feeds as it breaks down. Want lush all summer? Try succession planting. Stagger sowings every 2 to 3 weeks, especially with quick annuals. As one wave fades, the next hits peak. Seamless color. Short on space or rough soil? Containers are your best mate. Control the soil, chase the sun, and water more often in heat. Try zinnias, lavender, coreopsis, color, scent, and easy care. Design tip: layer heights, tall phlox or salvia, mids like Echinacea and Rudbeckia, low coreopsis up front. Plant in odd number groups for natural rhythm. Pick a handful of reliable doers for Zone 5A. Sun, decent soil, water, deadhead, job done. Gardening should be a joy. Get out there and get planting. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.